Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. As our previous session, I have told you about biofertilizer. Different kind of biofertilizers like bacterial biofertilizer, importance of biofertilizer, advantage of biofertilizer, what is the biofertilizer, and rhizobium, free living bacteria, different kinds of bacteria which are using it as a biofertilizer. So today we will discuss about algal biofertilizer. Another group of free living nitrogen fixers are cyanobacteria. Generally, cyanobacteria are using as a biofertilizer some blue-green algae. Now, like 100 species of blue-green algae can fix nitrogen. Heterocyst nitrogen fixation take place in a specialized cells called as the heterocyst. BGA by blue-green algae very commonly in rice field. Unlikely Azobacter blue-green algae are not inhibited by the presence of chemical fertilizer. No chemical fertilizer added. Inoculation of the algal can be result up to 10 to 14 increase in a crop yield. So algae also useful as a biofertilizer. They are easy to produce. Usually, they can be mass produced in a cement tank filled with fresh water, and they have not required any processing. This method is very quiet and cheap. Cost of 10 kg maybe 30 to 40 rupees only. Beneficial certain crops like vegetable, cottons, and sugar canes. For example, some algae are using Anabina nostoc and Oscillatoria using as a biofertilizer. Fungal biofertilizer. BAM used as a fungal biofertilizer. The term mycorrhiza was taken from Greek language meaning fungus root. Term was coined by Frank 1885. The mycorrhiza is the mutualistic association between fungal mycelia and a plant root. WAM is the androtropic mycorrhiza formed by the anticipated Phycometeus fungi. WAM help in a nutrient transfer mainly from phosphorus, zinc and sulfur. Biofertilizer application methods. There are three ways to the using these nitrogen fixing PSM bacteria like seed treatment, root dipping, soil application. Advantage of biofertilizer: renewal source of the nutrient, sustain soil health, supplement chemical fertilizer, replace 20 to 30 chemical fertilizer, increase the grain yield by 10 to 40%, decompose plant residue and stabilize carbon and nitrogen ratio of soil, improve texture, structure and water holding capacity of the soil, no adverse effect on plant growth and soil fertility. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.